Do you feel like your money disappears every month and you don't know where it went? Today, I'll show you how to make a monthly budget that actually works and keeps your money under control. First, write down all your income. Know exactly how much money comes in every month. Without knowing your income, budgeting is impossible. Next, divide your expenses into categories: needs, rent, groceries, utilities; wants, entertainment, dining out; savings and investments, emergency fund, stocks, mutual funds. Use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investments. This simple rule keeps your spending balanced and your money growing. Finally, review your budget every month, adjust where needed. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the next video: Good Debt versus Bad Debt, What You Must Know.